Sehemu ya kituo cha Chenoti ya kaunti ya Kisii mwasiri w'ekisemi omukechuri ya Simigo Siogamba nigo boiga kwanira obujabu kubwatesia serikali yeyeregeti iliokoenekerigwa amagendero asomo yugo yuboigo nigo barai aboikirana igati yabo iyo kabire omugavana omukuru bwa kaunti ya Kisii omosike James Elvis Omariba Ongwae munagotumanya mulikito Daniel Ontiri
okwana sebirero ime ya Marani ya kaunti ya Kisii Migosi nigo hararirie gocha kugendera kora omogusi asoko bwatesie serikali irabisi ilio koenekerigwa magendero.
You must be truthful in the things you are saying. You must not come because you want popularity to lie to the people and be clapped for when our people are suffering. Here you mentioned that you want support from the government for the schools. It is because those schools are lacking infrastructure, which we must struggle to get the resources to have these schools built. You cannot have those schools built through popularity in funerals.
Asomwega uyegwe karinua na barai au igati abo mokonyi w'omugavana we kaunti ya Kisii mbunge wensemeyo Mosike Japheth Nyakundi Jerusha Mumanyi omugavana omukoro we kaunti ya Kisii igati ya bande Migosi nigo boigo akwanira omukyoye bokurungiye sekta y'ekisemi
tigatogwatera na muchimuturi tokore binde togosaba nari abantu beto barakonye. I have already elevated since independence. We had 3 national schools. I just elevated them. Now we have 9 national schools in Kisii. From 3 that have been there from 1963. These hygiene that we want to bring in education, we are bringing it even in Kisii. For the first time in 2024, we had clean exams that did not have any malpractice. Kwa Kisii walikuwa wanaambiwa stories zingine ambazi.
Mosike Ongwae hasense moyae nigaboria igoro yokugendererwa ku morobrio bogosira balimi bekemeriye chae ase factory ya Sombogo boigo okugendererwa we stadium ya Marani mirobrio ateba achageti echingaki alingi kurae kaunti ya Kisii
egetiye keiga deputy governor nora na ya norega igo muchumbi twakobege to buchumba ogwa kore emyaka 10 deputy governor chongo oregetie ke na chagete kere buya kabisa na likera gra to na no beke abantu bago ikaranza ega sirais tongoro chinga go deputy governor ege to kiaga tato nane kyo mwario moga koya mboretie na bagaka bande baje to bisiane bakambori goro ya Sombogo tea factory. At that time omuntu olengo muchumbe njiminuru wangwenyi Jimmy Norega nkaruwa bisiane na renge PSR kacha tokagenda paka KTDA nayo tokagamba na KTDA baganja kolete e factory yeta na be governor nkaligi chibesa nkaba 30 million shillings e factory gachaka njege ndogyoka ngobori omosikonyoka seneta ya itotwajete nomo chumbo itorega ega oyo minto Nyakundi. Farmers are still paying that loan. Yes. Jekona arwede 30 million. Na inu mogo kilie loan yeyo farmers imba kona chibes. Yosebona. Ekina kinda abolie mugako minto sako genda agende na Nyasaye abana abajoni minto. Oyeno mugako olenge was a great man. Na ndo anyata alengi great mwale koro mura mwale kwa buna muri
obomogusi negati yarebo gakwanirwa boigo abaraya baiga basegeta kobuli Mosike Don Bosco Gichana anyirwe na kwaegwa emerema serikali.
Huyu Don Bosco vile mnajua alienda Tanzania akafanya PhD. Ni kweli si kweli? Don Bosco tachienda Tanzania akachikosoma. Oiranire. Bona singecha iranire kile tungeweza kuomba na kupitia mheshimiwa mbunge na mheshimiwa waziri kama yuko vile yuko hapa. Na wale mtafikia mheshimiwa Sudi haya maneno hayapati. Huyu Don Bosco ameshafanya PhD, amegraduate, sasa apate kazi. Don Bosco tikaya kuimerema. Erebiego sere bole.
And my brother and the minister wa elimu. Hapa Marani elevated St. Monica National School Marani Girls. Now that you are here. Secondly, tupatie senior school hii Kenya. Kwa sababu huyu mzee ni educationist, tupatie senior school pale tu. Alafu najua DG akiwa hapa Maraniwe level 5 itibu wagonjwa kansa.